Oh, crap. And here we go with the test. There it goes. Whoa. What's going on there, buddy? Your attention tones got quieter. Okay, can I shut up?
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations in your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
NNNN. 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 Whoa. Wow. About time. But, unfortunately, this will probably be the last EAS capture of 2023. But there will be more in 2024. So stay tuned for that. Goodbye.